Unlock vastly superior audio for your Nikon D3500 videos by harnessing the power of an external microphone. The Nikon D3500, while a fantastic camera for its price, relies on its internal mic for audio to take your video content from good to great. We need to connect an external microphone. This tutorial will guide you through the simple process. First, let's talk about what you'll need. The most common setup will involve a microphone with a standard 35mm output jack. You'll then need a complementary 35mm to 35mm audio cable to bridge the gap between your microphone and your camera. Locate the microphone input jack on your Nikon D3500 on this camera. It's typically found under a small flap on the side, usually near the HDMI and USB ports. It's a small, round port. Now, take your audio cable, plug one end securely into the output jack of your external microphone, and the other end into that dedicated microphone input jack on your D3500. Make sure both connections are firm. With the microphone physically connected, we need to tell the camera to use it. Power on your D3500 and navigate to the camera's menu. You'll be looking for the setup menu. Within the setup menu, scroll down until you find the microphone option. Select it. Here, you'll likely see a setting for microphone sensitivity. For optimal control, select manual instead of auto. This allows you to precisely control the audio input level. Once in manual mode, you can adjust the microphone sensitivity. Start with a mid-range setting, perhaps around level 5 or 6, and then perform a short test recording. Listen back to ensure you're not encountering clipping or too much background noise. Adjust as needed to achieve a clear, balanced audio signal. By following these simple steps, you'll be capturing crystal clear, professional sound audio for all your Nikon D3500 video projects. Happy filming!